Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to completely delete application files on your Mac. When you delete an app normally, it only removes the application itself, leaving behind leftover files. I'm going to show you how to get rid of those too. First, we need to download an application called App Cleaner. As the name suggests, it scans your system for leftover files when you uninstall an application and lets you choose whether to delete them. Head to your web browser and go to the download section of the App Cleaner website. Click on the latest version to download the installer. Choose where you want to save it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Now that the installer is downloaded, let's install App Cleaner. Go to where you saved the installer, probably your downloads folder, and double-click the zip file to extract the application. I recommend dragging and dropping the App Cleaner application into your Applications folder. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to click Replace. Okay, now that App Cleaner is installed, let's open it up. Because it's downloaded from the internet, you'll get a prompt. Just click Open. You'll see it has a very simple user interface. Before we start using it, we need to give App Cleaner permission to delete files from our hard drive. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then click on System Settings. In System Settings, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down and find Full Disk Access, and click into that. Toggle on App Cleaner. You might need to enter your Mac password to allow this. This gives App Cleaner the permission it needs to delete files. Now that's done, exit out of System Settings. I also recommend running App Cleaner in the background, so it automatically finds files for deletion. To do this, click on App Cleaner in the top menu bar and then click Settings. In the Settings panel, click on Smart Delete and toggle it on. This will allow App Cleaner to run in the background. Now exit out of the Settings panel. There are two ways to use App Cleaner. You can manually drag applications into the App Cleaner window, or you can delete applications as normal by dragging them to the trash. Either way, App Cleaner will scan for leftover files and ask if you want to delete them. I'm going to close App Cleaner, letting it run in the background, and delete the Firefox application by dragging it to the trash, just like I normally would. Once I've done this, App Cleaner will scan for files in the background and a window will appear showing all the files and folders it has found associated with Firefox. Now, I can manually tick or untick the files I want to delete. Once I'm happy with the selection, just click Remove. After clicking Remove, go to your trash. You'll see that all the files App Cleaner scanned for have automatically been moved to the trash, along with the application itself. All we need to do now is empty the trash, and our Mac is fully clean of the application and its associated files. One quick note, be careful about which files you're deleting, as you don't want to accidentally cause any harm to your system. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.